हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू दी कैडेक्स। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे प्लास्टिक बास्केट। फिर कुछ हमारा इस तरह दिखता है। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। गो टू फाइल्स, न्यू, पार्ट, सिलेक्ट टॉप प्लेन, स्केच, सेंटर एलिप्स, ड्रॉ एलिप्स, select smart dimension 140 mm, 300 mm. Okay, go to features, extrude boss 200 mm and 20-degree outward direction. Okay, select front plane, sketch, vertical, align, arc, and the arc dimension, arc radius is 600. Go to features, extrude cut, mid plane 300. Okay, go to flit, 20 mm flit, bottom side, then go to shell, select upper surface and thickness is 1.5 mm. Okay, go to right plane, sketch, again select ellipse, (170 mm) and ellipse dimension is 30 mm and 60 mm. Is aligned to the vertically aligned with axis. Go to features, extrude cut, through both side. Okay, select front plane, sketch, draw circle and dimension is 20 mm and this dimension is 30. Go to linear pattern, first center line infinity, one is horizontal and another is vertical. Go to linear pattern, axis and 25 mm and number of circle is 5. Okay. Again go to linear pattern, this axis, (31 mm), number of pattern 5. Okay. Again select 31 mm, distance between circle to circle 5. Okay. Again select linear sketch, axis, and 2, 3, 4, 5. Change the direction and distance is 31 and 5. Okay. Go to features, extrude cut through both. Okay. Now select right plane, sketch, center line, infinity length, vertically, and another is horizontally aligned. Okay. 30 mm, 20 mm. Again linear sketch pattern, select axis and entity, change the direction 25 mm, 5. Okay. Select line, angle between this and this line is 100 mm and distance is 20. 25. (30 mm) and for construction again select a linear sketch pattern, select axis, select mirror entities, pattern entities, and 25 mm, number of pattern 5. Okay. Now mirror entities, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and mirror about this line. Okay, go to features, extrude cut through both. Okay, define material, appearance, plastic, high gloss, go to plain white, perspective, cartoon. Our model is ready. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। थैंक यू।